Are you curious about what you can do in Trabzon in one day? I'm gonna show you what you can eat, where to visit in one day in the city center in Trabzon. Let's begin. Welcome to Trabzon. Right now I'm in the center of the city in Trabzon Square. All places you can visit is close by. The first one is place you can have traditional home meal. Tarihi Kalkanoğlu pilavcısı. From 1850s they serve only couple of dishes: meat, rice, beans, with hoşaf drink, apricot drink. I'm gonna try the meat and pilav. Very traditional. Let's go in.
Boyu oluyor mu? Yani ya da belli bir saatte bitiyor mu?
Saat 9.30-10'da çıkıyor ürünlerimiz. Akşam 7'ye 7.30'a kadar varız efendim. Kemik suyu, tereyağı efendim.
Pirinç.
Pirinç şu an kullandığımız Balıkesir dönem pirinç. Bu yöre hayvanları. Bu Yalnızın kenarına azıcık koyalım, tadına bakalım. Karışık.
The meal is very traditional, very homey. This apricot hoşaf is also traditional. I would prefer to have its fruit itself, but they serve it like this. We always serve hoşaf with the pilav. If you want to try like real traditional home dish, it's also very hearty and the butter makes everything even more delicious. So I tried, I'm out. The rice and meat was very delicious, of course with that much amount of butter and very traditional. They served 100 grams of meat. I gave 85 Turkish liras, which is close to $5. Seems reasonable, but a bit higher comparing to Turkish prices. But everything got very high. It might be normal, I'm not sure. It was big plate and nice dish. Now let's continue.
Bak şimdi bak Liverpool göremin oy verirsin.
When I come to Trabzon, I always visit Beton Helva, which has one of the best tahini helva and ice cream. The vanilla flavor is like a caramel color here. It tastes delicious. Of course, when talk about the places to visit, one is the Trabzon Museum. And there is a hill Boztepe where you can see the whole city from top above and enjoy Turkish tea. Another place is a small Hagia Sophia, Ayasofya Mosque in Trabzon city. These hand-knitted silver or gold bracelets are special in Trabzon city. I came to a ladies bazaar we call Kadınlar Pazarı. Women come from the villages to sell their products. Let's take a look. Yani burada
Buyur abi.
these are all the types of the corn flour. This one is roasted.
Abi aleykümselam.
This is local cucumbers.
Pazara gelseler burada aldığında pazar işte.
Evet.
Onların paraları şey. Ya. Fasulye 40 lira.
Fiyatlar öyle. Bizi bile yakıyor.
Maaşım yok ya, yıllığım yok. Hırsızlık, suçsuzluk.
There is another place I would highly recommend to try for eating is Akçaabat köfte. The Akçaabat district is about 20 kilometers far from the city center. You can go with a taxi or take a public transportation and be there in half an hour. You can wander around the Orta Mahalle neighborhood, which is famous for its old historical mansions, or even stay in one of them. In my last year visit, I cooked and filmed local dishes of Trabzon with home cook chef in a small cafe. You can watch this and other episodes from the links. By the seaside, they have many restaurants, and the Nihat Usta, which I tried, is one of them. It is one of the best places to taste the famous Akçaabat meatballs, which only use meat, garlic, and bread. Also, bean salad, piyaz, fish and sütlaç rice pudding were very good. If you want to mingle with more local people and try a shabby place, Komaroğlu Köfte Saloon might be what you are looking for.
Dedi abla hanım yana. Komaroğlu ha buraya mı getirdin beni? Çünkü onun aklında amaç köfte yemek değil, görsellik.
Ben İstanbul'dan geliyorum, yemeğimi burada yiyorum.
Öyle değilsen ben Belçika'dan yapamam.
Oh, var mı arttıran? But if you have limited time, there is Cemil Usta here in the Trabzon Square. You can try. As a final stop, I'm in the copper shop, Bakırcılar Pazarı. You see behind, it's everywhere different coppers. This is also where I bought my copper pans, like serving pans and cooking pans here. Ne kadar? 200.
O bıçak 130 lira.
I have something like this and this one in this color and many others. Tamam, teşekkür ederim. I couldn't stop myself and about these I'm thinking to use them to serve breakfast. Harika. Burada bunlar. Djibouti.
Yes.
Okay.
Ben çok takip ediyorum seni.
Harika.
Güzel yemekler yapıyorsun.
Denedin mi?
Denedim. Mercimek çorbasını denedim.
Harika.
Güzel.
Everybody tries. It's easy and delicious.
How is Trabzon?
Nice.
You like it?
Do you?
Yes. Your food also. They're very nice.
Thank you. Nice to see someone from my channel. I'm back to Akçabat region where I stay with my husband's family. Of course, there are many other things you can visit along with Uzungöl, Sümele Monastery, but I gave you the main points. Another thing would be to see and feel the Black Sea coast when you come to the west side of the city to Akçabat and the Mersin area. You can have these kind of beaches, so that would be another thing to try. In the next episode, I'll show you a different Trabzon. We will visit world's second longest cave, going with a local minibus. You will also witness what local people eat in a typical day and more. Stay tuned and see you next time.